Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my summer makeup tutorial. So I do this every single year on my channel. It's a video I love filming. I love having glowy, fresh summer makeup, and I love doing a summer makeup tutorial on my channel. And today's summer makeup tutorial is all drugstore and affordable products as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so in the summer, I like to be hydrated. I like to be moisturized. The sun dries out your skin, so I like to be hydrated, but I also like a bit of matte as well because sometimes you sweat in the summer, so you don't want to be too hydrated. So I like a mixture of both. So first of all, in the summer, I would need to put on an SPF. So obviously the sun is very harsh. So you need some kind of SPF. So this is a moisturiser with SPF in. So this is the CeraVe Facial Moisturising Lotion for normal to dry skin with SPF 25. So I'm just going to apply this with my e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. Now today I am going to be using a tinted moisturiser. In the summer I tend to go for tinted moisturisers more often than not, just because they are lightweight on your skin, they give you a little bit of glow, and they also give you that hydration you want as well. So the ones I'm going to be using today is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh tinted moisturisers. I can't remember what shade I am. I know the shades are nothing like they look in the tube, so I'm going to have to like swatch them and see which one is best for me. I've got a feeling I used this one last time. So the lighter one is the shade Fair 1N, and the darker shade is Fair 3W. So we shall see. And I'm going to apply these with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection All Over foundation brush. I'm going to try the darker shade first, the Fair 3W one. So we'll see. I can always go over it with a lighter shade. Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to need a mixture of the two. So let me just do a few bits of the dark one. And then this one is Fair 1N. I might build up the coverage as well afterwards. So let's just blend those in first. Okay, and I'm going to build up coverage with concealer later on as well. I ended up using more of the darker shade than the lighter shade. Okay, before I do my concealer, I want to do some cream contouring using my NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Light to Medium. So I'm just going to dot a little bit of that. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe M436 brush. And then I just go in back with my foundation brush just to blend it a bit more. And then for concealer, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection concealers in the shade Extra Fair 4 and Fair 5. And to blend that in, I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder in the shade Transparent or Translucent. And I'm using my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe E2 brush. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush to apply it. I absolutely love this bronzer for the summertime. It's just one of my favourites. Then for blush, I'm going in with this Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Why Hello. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush to apply it. And then for highlight, I'm using the Colourpop Pressed Powder Highlighter in the shade Dreamscape. And I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. Right, now let's zoom you in to do the eyes. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Sleek Level Up Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. Gorgeous. And I'm using my Morphe R37 with this shade here. And I'm going to pop that through the crease. Then I'm going to go in with this shade here using the same brush, but very light-handedly through the crease as well. Then with my Morphe M412 brush, I'm going in with this dark brown on the outer corners. Now I am putting all those three colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Now using my little finger, I'm going in with this sparkly champagne shade on the end, and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Now for eyebrows, I'm using the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Clear. Then I'm going in with some Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Then for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And I'm going to go in with my Colourpop BFF Volumising Mascara. And then finally for the lips, so I'm going to go in with the Revlon Colour Burst Balm Stain in the shade Honey. So it's just a really hydrating, moisturising lip crayon. Okay, so that completes my summer makeup tutorial. Very hydrating, very glowy, very quick and easy, and all drugstore and affordable products as well. My skin feels really hydrated. I'm also protected from the sun because I've got SPF on, and it's quite a natural look as well, but you could glam it up if you wanted to. And I've got this really hydrating moisturizing lip on as well. So yeah, I really like how this look turned out. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!